What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. Going to go over Vechain. We're sitting at 0.055. We're up almost 17% in the last 24 hours. Market cap 4.52 billion. 24-hour volume 270 million. So if we pop into the chart, I was looking to break that low because this did look corrective, but we've broken the bullish level. If you want updates on these projects, on these charts every day, you can gain completely free access to not only my analysis, but also my trade signals. We're in 4 or 5 trades now. Completely for free if you hang around to the end of the video. So wave 1 up, ABC correction into a 2, looking to push up in a 3. We broke that bullish level for confirmation. So you'll look for a wave 3 to push up to 0.065. It can overshoot, but that's the normal target. Pull back in a 4 and then push back up in a wave 5, and that's what we'll be looking at for the first 5 waves up after this pullback. As you can see, the correction is ending 2 days before Trump's inauguration, so obviously they're going to expect a pump when Trump gets inaugurated, which is what I have been predicting. So we look for a push up to 0.065. Of course, it can pull a little bit back in the short term, retest the triple bottom. It looks like we got a triple bottom before continuation, but the higher target here on the higher wave count on the 4-hour chart is 0.065. If we pop over to the next chart, it is a leading diagonal, because as you can see here, the wave 4 broke into the wave 1, so it has to be a leading diagonal, which consists of an ABC. The wave A has 5 waves. You pull back in a 3-wave B and then push up in a 5-wave C. And I do think the target that it will head towards is the top of this trend line, which is at about 0.089 before seeing a larger pullback and then continuation. It lines up with BTC and Ethereum as well. So that's what we're looking at for VET in the short term. Look for a push to 0.065, maybe see a little bit pullback first, retest that support before continuation. However, that's the target we're looking for. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is take 30 seconds of your time and sign up to Bitfinex. That's it. No KYC, no VPN. One of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America. 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees when you sign up through my link. If you deposit $1,000 into your trading account, into your futures account, you get a $200 bonus. But you only have to take the 30 seconds to sign up. Send me an email. That's it. I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis for many, many projects. I just uploaded off my phone today, but usually I'm using my laptop. My exact crypto trade setups were in 5 trades, my Forex signals. And you can see exactly what I'm invested in when I'm taking profit. Definitely a $50 to $100 value in my opinion. Completely free. If you take 30 seconds to sign up to Bitfinex and send me an email, that's all you have to do. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.